Hi dancers! This was a vlog that was requested by a student and I'm going to be teaching you how to bun your short hair. So my hair is really short right now. Well, I've had shorter hair and have bunned my hair, so I think this would work on you even if your hair is even shorter. So this is something I used to do because I really like having short hair. So let me go through the materials that you need. First, you will need a lot of hairpins. So loads of hairpins. Like, just be ready with lots of hairpins. Open ones, closed ones. Did you know that hairpins and bobby pins are two different things? So these are hairpins, the ones that are open. Do you see that? It's really thin. Yeah. And these are your bobby pins. So I've noticed that when you have short hair, it's easier to work with the bobby pins. Maybe because the hair just kind of is short, but maybe it also depends on the texture of your hair. So my next material is you need two different combs. So brush and then a kind of fine-toothed comb. You'll need two hair ties. When you get a hair tie, make sure that it is good and firm elastic. I have an extra one just in case, and make sure that your hair tie is dark or the same color as your hair. I didn't really have much, so I had like a dark gray one right now, because yeah, so there, I'm gonna use this one. And then I usually have hair clip. Hair clips are really important when you have short hair, because when you have short hair you have a tendency to kind of like everything just flies everywhere. Anyway, okay, so first off we're going to go through, and the last one is your hairnet. So just have one. I have a thinner one, but this is all I had around. So yeah, so it's been so long and I haven't bun my hair in such a long time. So first off, you're going to need to decide where your partition is going to be. Some teachers want it in the center and some teachers don't mind where the partition is. But for myself, I'll just do it on the side as my bangs are swept on the side. So I'm going to be doing it on the side, and I don't have a mirror, so I'm going to be using my phone as a mirror. And now I'm going to divide my hair. Sorry, you can brush through the whole thing, but I've already brushed my hair. You're going to divide your hair at the back into two sections. So one side and the other side. And the reason why I do this is because when you bun short hair, you can't exactly tie it straight to the back. You're going to have to divide it. So now I'm going to divide my hair into two. So one side like this. I know it looks funny, but one side. And then get your elastic, tie onto the one side. And you're going to divide it with the other side. So just make sure it's smooth. That's why you have your fine-tooth comb. You get the other side. Then I get the brush to kind of brush up the other parts under. Just make sure you get all parts. I've experienced doing short buns and then not getting everything. So there. Second elastic. And tie the other side of your hair. Okay, so now you have kind of like two pigtails, and I'm gonna show how it looks like from the back. So we have two pigtails. I feel like it's not straight. I can probably do a better job, yeah, if I had someone, but yeah, anyway, you know the idea. So now I know that buns tend to go like this. I'll do one for longer hair with my sister. And wait, I'm gonna just fix my part. So I usually fix my part early on, and I really like doing twists because I have bangs. So I would twist the front, and I'd use like a hair clip and there, so that the hair is out of my head or out of my face. And this would make the hair look really clean. I love this look. And you can do the other side. You can twist this side. And if you want something neat, you can already see like how clean it is in the front. And that's all you want. You don't want hair in your face. Now, what to do with the pigtails? We can't dance with pigtails. So, what I usually do is, instead of twisting around, I would twist and go straight in like this, straight. I'm not sure if you can see this, but instead of going around, you go straight in and you're going to pin down here. I'm just going to show you guys how it looks like. So you just get one of these pins. So instead of your bun looking round, it's kind of going to look long, but I guarantee you it's going to stay. And your teacher just wants to see a flat bun, right? So it doesn't matter how it looks like inside of that hairnet. So I usually just pin down. Every ballet dancer knows that you need a really good elastic. Like those two elastics, those are the most important things. If your elastic is loose, that is going to be the worst bun ever. Your hairpins don't really do much, but if you have bad elastic, it's going to be like the worst thing. So I have put in part of my hairpins. It's probably gonna look messy. It feels messy, but it looks like this. So I pin it down like this. And what's gonna happen now is you're gonna get your hairnet, the big hairnet, and you're going to net it around like this. So again, it's like a flat donut bun. Not the donut bun, sorry. Flat bun. I'm not so sure how it looks like. And there. So it's kind of like flat like this. I feel like it's like sideways. But it is flat. See? There's no hair in your face. And it looks kind of like round from, I mean, like it doesn't look round, but it looks clean from the front. And you can still put your headdresses and whatever you need on the back. There. So from the side, it looks like this. Not so sure. Here. Now we can get extra hairpins because I ran out of hairpins. Hold on. Okay, more hairpins. Going to just line them around. But you can see the front is really clean. The back doesn't come off. You can probably round your bun instead. It's just that I like it flat because it feels a lot secure. And I'll show you how the back looks like. I hope it's looking okay. But this is how the back side looks like. And yeah, now you can kind of, I guess, tweak it whatever way you'd want to tweak your hair. But for myself, bunning short hair, it's just important for me to have my hair up and nothing going to my face. Really clean, can see the look, can see the shape of my face. Nothing in my face, nothing in my head. I can probably add like a few more hair clips. And that's how I do it. So I hope that you learned something new from this short hair bun tutorial. For me, it's really important to have just my hair up and it not falling. So this is good enough that your hair wouldn't fall and no one would know you'd have short hair. See? It's like an illusion. Yeah, so just remember that your hair tie does need to be a really good one. You need to invest in a really good hair tie. Have some hairpins around, bobby pins, and then your hair clips, and you're all done and set. Yeah. I hope that helped you, and if you like what you see, let me know what else you'd love to hear on this channel. I'd love to help you, and we'll be back for more tutorials like this. Thank you!